Hi guys, so I'm here today in my parents' house. So I bring some money, not some money, like their pension money, cause every month they have pension from us. For them, it's like helpful, cause they just here in their house. Uh, my my mother has a pension to each of them, my father and my mother, and that's what we give them every month. So right now what I give to them is just for uh, next month, because we already give them the other time, and sad to say they already use the money that we give them for this month, April. So the one that I give them today is for month of May. So it's too early, but because my niece, she went in the house because my father just wants borrowed money from me, like 100 pesos only, for he said he wants to buy cigarettes. And Fred just like feel bad about it, and me, I just kind of feel like also like down, because you know they also need help. So yeah, we give them help every month, and so that my mother can buy what she wants, my father too, so that she can buy also what he needs, because his like everyone has a comfort. So my father is a smoker, so he likes smoke, or sometimes pet his chicken. And my mother, what she want to do is just like, she's happy if she have something like a glass, or what do you call it, like a plate for the house stuff. That's what she's happy. So we give them their pension every month so that they can also buy what they need. So but my father, I don't know how he spent his money. Maybe because he buy also some food for the chicken, because we have a chicken. So right now I'm here staring in this ducks. My father just he just said that maybe he can return some of the chicken from his boss so that he can find a work, though, he said, because all this chicken here, some of the chicken, because he's the one who looked after, and he wants to do a thing. Sometimes if we have like what do you call this, like a celebration, like family or celebration, like birthday, or we're gonna go to the beach, we're not complete because no one gonna look for the house or these animals, because they not know, like they have neighbor like who steal chicken, rooster. These roosters, guys, like for cockfight, this is expensive. I know how much is this. Mostly this is the stealing pets to those people like who really likes rooster. So yes, guess I hope I can help them, because I'm also feel okay if they have some money that they can buy for themselves. Actually, they're just like simple guys. They're just like contented for what they have, like that. Because for me, every time like I keep going here, I just like felt like it's like because I'm not here for like 6 years, because we're together. Fred and I is 6 years together, so my life is changed, and what is that, like my life status is changed. I'm not used to live like what they have, but I'm also but I'm not like very judgy of how they live, because this is our life. This is where I've been. So here's the chicken roaster. And our dogs from before is usual. Dakuan aning kon mo? Pabo.
Doon, mitas dun anak. Laki man ang dako.
So actually guys, it's really bad weather right now. It's very dark, and I'm gonna be home soon. So before I went here, I do my laundry. Just keep away from this coconut kasaba. And I'm bringing some like vegetables. Fred ordered the sausage, so we give some to them too. And that's Fred. He's like giving away for my family, and also they like it. And also like, because we have so many dog food, so we give also some of the dog food here, because we have dogs here too, like one, and it's kind of fun. So yeah. And I forgot something, because I wanna give because Fred buy before what is this, like drinks, like Fiverr drinks, and I forgot to bring it, and I want them to have, so that they can drink also, they can try. It's like an orange flavor, and before it expired, because Fred bought that and he didn't eat it. He didn't drink, because before he have like a indigestion problem. So look at the ducks. So I have my shades, because it's very hot a while ago. I bought this in Shop or TikTok. So yes, I hope I told my father to budget the money that we give. So because June is very far month from now, because it's April pa, so that pension is supposed to be for the month of May. And actually my parents, they have a pension too from the senior, because my mother is a senior and my father is a senior too. So their pension's supposed to be like every 3 months. And actually it's not a lot, because every month before before they get their pension every 6 months. 6 months, like every 1 month they have like 1K. So because it's 6 months are very long time to wait, or long month to wait, so they make it short, like 3 months. So 3 months they receive 3K for their pension, but I don't know if they already, when they gonna get their pension again. And usually, of course, they're big here, there are many here. My father, my mother, my niece, my 3 brothers, and my sister, and some of my nephews and nieces. They're already moved out, so they just visit here like every Saturday, Sunday. My father is feeding chicken. I have shit in my forehead. Huh? So I'm going home soon because it's going to rain. And I feel better because my parents has money. This is our home, our house before. You can see. This is our bench from before too. Muli na ko kay sigmuulan. Ma, wala kay alcohol, ma?
Ha?
Alcohol. Nagitabi, buo magtahi. I have shit in my forehead, guys. Because I've... Tagay ito. Mayra. Ew. I don't know where I get that shit. Shit from the... duck. So I'll tell you, this is my parents' room. This is our room before. And this is my brother's room. It's very dark. This is my sister's room before, but they're not here now. Ah! Oh, their kitchen is very messy. And there's another room here. My brother's room. So I'm going back home with my brother Jesse. The dark spot of my face, guys, is not really fade away. So here's my father's boss house. I'm walking right now on the street. So there's a school here. It's like for English speaking only. English speaking. For is that like